I'm back live on Instagram, and yes, it's been quite a while. And I remember last time I had like posted something regarding that I will come online live, but I couldn't because let me clear, I wasn't feeling well at that time, and I was the very next day, I was rushed to the hospital. But yeah, apparently I've been doing quite well, and it was just a mild sore throat and throat infection, and that's it. Beyond that, I've recovered, and I've recovered well. And how's your quarantine going? That's the most common question that you've been asked lately, and how boring is that question actually to answer, because we often don't shoot, or we often don't work, or we often not doing anything apparently. So it's quite boring. So yes, if you guys have any sort of questions, obviously, just to cut time, shoot me up, and I'll try to answer. Well, hello everyone. I am live on Instagram, and well, it's been quite some time, and thank you so much for being there, and thank you so much for having so much of patience and loving me. And everyone, hi, what's up? So yes, let's see who I can say hi to. Hi Abhilash, what's up bro? And hey Akila, hi. Hi, what's up? Hi Kushi, what's up? So yeah, hey Vivek, what's up buddy? So if you guys have any sort of questions, you can ask me. Hi Janvi. Hey Ashika, hi Ashika. My picture is blurred. Well, apparently I don't know whether it's blurred or not, but maybe your network is not right, not apt. So yeah, the most common question going right now: how's my quarantine going? How's your quarantine going? So I'll just say that all we can say is wait and be at our homes and stay safe and stay with our families. And of course, I've been taking care of myself a lot, and I've been making sure that I wash my hands, sanitize my hands, I wash myself, and I take care of myself. Stay healthy, eat cooked food, perfectly cooked food. You need to. You cannot have raw stuff. So, oh yes, why haven't you accepted the challenge of Neeti? Because apparently I'm too slow in social media. Apparently she messaged me and she challenged me, but I don't know how to accept the challenge, and I don't know how to continue the challenge. Apparently a lot of people have challenged me in a lot of different challenges, but I somehow am not able to deliver or fulfill that challenge, because I really don't know how to do it, because I would say technologically challenged. What TV series you should watch? Well, apparently Money Heist season 4 is out there, and if you haven't watched Money Heist, so please watch the remaining 3 seasons and also the season 4. Hi everyone, hi, what's up? Hey Aisha, thank you so much, thank you. Okay, Apurva. Hey, I'm here. Hey Kajal, hi. Hi Maithili. What's up? Okay Scarlett, I'll stop rubbing my eyes. Apparently. There's too much of wind flowing, so yeah. Thank you. How have you been? Are you good in Goa? Are you having your family time? I shall see you very soon once the quarantine is over. Hey Aishi. So yes, unfortunately right now the scenario of the world is really bad. It's not something that we ever expected, any one of us, that the world would come to a standstill and the economy would be down and people's health would be at a risk. So please look after yourself anywhere. If anyone's watching me, apart from India too, this goes out to all you people as well. Please do look after yourself and your family and stay home. It is the most wise decision. And please follow the government's guidelines and stay safe. Be home. Also, the police officials have been doing a fantastic job to make sure that we people are safe. So kudos to them. And yes, tomorrow evening, night, that is at 9 p.m. Sunday, we will come out in our windows and support the government, support the country, and stand against the virus. So people asking me when will I get back to Kasautii, where apparently, as you can see, that it's very difficult for any social gathering or any sort of mass gathering, and for any sort of shooting to happen, you have a crew, you need a lot of people, and of course that can't be possible at this point of time. So things, inshallah, we hope that it should get sorted very soon. Yeah, so people asking me when are we resuming our shoot. We will soon resume once everything gets sorted. So let's see what the government has to say this week. It's very important for us, for our country, so that we don't enter stage 3. So yeah, thank you Praganya, thank you so much. People are still calling me Manik. That's nice. That's really nice. Thank you so much. What am I doing now? Well, apparently I was watching Money Heist season 4. I'm on episode 5, I think. And, it's a good show. It's one of my favorite shows. So yeah, I'm just enjoying time. Home quarantine. What else? Hi Ritika, hi. Hey Brinda. Hey Subi, hi. Please take my name. Kulkarni Sonali. There, I took your name. Hey Semika, hi. So if you guys have any sort of questions apart from saying hello and hi, please go ahead, shoot me up. Thank you so much Vidhi. Hello my sweet sister Deepa, how you been? I hope you're good. I hope everyone's good at your place. I hope you're home. I'm sure you're at your home. Hey Piyu, hi. Hi Osima. Hey out there.